Hi, everyone. Happy New Year. I can't believe we're already 2 weeks into the new year. I wanted to share some wellness advice and thoughts with you for today. Stop eating before you're full. So, what does that mean? I mean, eating to the point where you are sitting back and you are just like, I'm done. I can't have one more bite. I can't possibly have one more bite. And even then, sometimes you have one or two more bites. It happens. It's okay. I've done it before too. But it's really not good for us to do that. We need to stop eating before we get to that point where we're full. So, what does that mean? What does that look like? That means some programs suggest eating till you're 70 to 80% full. How do you measure that? Well, if you're looking, for example, on like a temperature gauge and you're almost at the top, that means that you're full. If you're 80% up or 70 to 80% up, it means that you're done. You're not eating. So you want to stop eating before you get to the top of that point. Now, how can you do this? Well, I strongly recommend taking about 20 minutes to eat all your meals. I know it's hard. Busy parents, especially me, I have a very busy life. I have a toddler. It is hard to sometimes sit down and eat a meal for 20 minutes. I really make it a point to try to sit down and see who eats the slowest. So you can make a fun game out of it with your family. See who can finish their plate last. Eating meals at 20 minutes allows your brain and your stomach to communicate so it knows that you're full before you're actually full. You can also put your fork down or your spoon down in between each bite. You can also take a couple deep breaths in between each bite. Actually, eat your food and then put your fork down and chew and enjoy your food. Don't wolf it down. And that actually, you'll find yourself getting fuller a lot quicker just by doing those extra steps. And something that you want to be asking yourself is, am I full? Instead of saying, am I full, asking yourself, is my hunger gone? So really listening to your body, what that hunger feels like for you. Everybody's different. So you want to start eating and taking mental notes when you start getting hungry, not to the point where you're starving and you need to eat something right now, because at that point, usually what happens is your eyes are bigger than your stomach, and then next thing you know, you've eaten like 2 sandwiches and a salad and you're full at the point where you're literally gonna bust at the seams. That's what you want to prevent. So I really recommend 20-minute meals, trying to keep your meals at 20 minutes minimum. Putting your fork down, your utensil down, spoon down in between each bite really helps, instead of, always holding your sandwich in your hand and then constantly taking bites. Put your sandwich down in between each bite. This is going to take time, and it's going to allow your mind and your gut to communicate, so that way when you're full, or before you get to the point of being full, you can actually make a mindful choice and decision to say, I'm not hungry anymore, and you stop eating. That really works well. I can't wait to offer you more tips, tricks, advice. So that's just one thing that I want to recommend, is stop eating till you're full. Start asking yourself, am I not hungry anymore?